Hello, hello, hello. This is George at Coatings by the Bay, your local new car paint protection expert. And today, the vehicle in for its annual inspection. It went through, a single winter so far, so it was installed last spring. They're coming in again for their inspection this year. Includes a full exterior detail as well as topper applied. And we've done nothing except rinse the car off. When cars are this clean, I don't break out power washers. You simply don't need them. Garden hose will show you. It is in perfect condition. Same thing, we'll look at the hood, we'll look at the front. Just a beautiful beading effect here. Everything just falling off the surface. So yes, I understand this is only 1 year into the coating. But this is what you can expect at year 2, year 3, year 4. Done over 1,000 coatings. I've done less than 50 annual inspections, and it's because the product is simply working this well after winter. So if you're looking for a coating on your brand new vehicle, and you live anywhere in Northeast Wisconsin, you can come see us in Appleton. Otherwise, we can come to you. Yes, this can be installed in your garage in a single day, drivable the next day, can be washed after 7 days. High gloss, easy clean, chemical resistance. That's all I ever pitch this coating doing. So you can text me. Again, my name's George. The number's gonna be 920-659-0023. Glass is still working amazing. Or you can go to the website, coatingsbythebay.com. Pricing is transparently listed there. Like I said, text is a quick way to reach me though. If you don't feel like scrolling through the website, again, that number is going to be 920-659-0023, and we can get you a coating that looks like this after winter. No wash, no topper yet, and we haven't even put a wash mitt on it. It genuinely doesn't need it, but it's part of the service. I'm certainly not going to skip it. So again, if you're looking for a coating on your new car, that's what we focus on, is new vehicles. Give me a call, 920-659-0023.